If you're someone who loves a takeaway but is trying to eat healthier, these high-protein pork garlic chili noodles are for you. Absolutely delicious and so easy to make. It is an ideal recipe for something to cook midweek. First thing we're going to do is to fry our mince in a wok on a high heat with some oil. I'm using pork mince for this, but if you're not a fan of pork, you can easily use beef mince, chicken mince, whatever kind of mince you've got. Doesn't really make much of a difference, but make sure to cook that to get some color on it. So we're talking about probably about 5 minutes. Once your mince is ready, we're going to add equal measures of garlic and ginger. As always, I'm using the stuff from a jar. You can get a link to the one I use in the description, and we're going to add some chili flakes. Now, I accidentally used bird's eye chili for this, so when I made it, it was absolutely burning my face off. So if you don't like it too hot, use a mild chili powder, or you can skip it. Once that's had 30 seconds of frying, add in your spring onions, your rice vinegar, ketchup mayonnaise, which is a sweet soy sauce. You can get it from pretty much all supermarkets. If you can't get it, just use soy sauce and honey instead. Add in your oyster sauce, and you're going to mix that through, and again, give it about 30 seconds until the mince is coated in the sauce. Then we're going to add in our dry noodles. That's just the weight. So you want to cook 250 grams of dry noodles, and then once they're ready, pop them into the wok and mix them all through. You could also serve this with rice, but it was called chili noodles for a reason. It'd be a bit weird if we didn't have noodles. And just mix it so everything is combined and everything is nice and hot.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Plate it up, garnish it with something green, and then just get stuck in. As always, if you want the full recipe, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!